Good morning. Today I'm in the village of Allithwaite, which is just outside Grange over Sands, and I've got a Pebbledash bungalow to softwash. I'll show you what we're looking like. As you can see, it's the grey here. Obviously this will clean up. I've got to do all this, but you need low pressure with this because obviously these small stones, you can knock those off. So some might drop off, but we use low pressure, so that should be saving those. So window bottoms, yeah, windowsills, concrete windowsills. A little bit of rust here, I'll get rid of that. This is looking quite black here. So it's all four sides that they want doing, so gable end. Down here. So the dressed stone as well. And at the back doesn't look too bad, but again it will clean up. Lichens on here. Bit of water runoff here, so there might be a bit of shadow in there. Same as stonework down the bottom here. And this side here. So I'll most probably start at the back here, up at that top corner. This is the outlook. Very nice. Oh, bit of a golf course here. What is this then? Yeah, very nice. I don't know whether that's somebody's personal golf course, but very nice. And the Fells over there, that's I think we're Coniston Old Man over there. And then just down here is actually Cartmel. So we're not too far from Cartmel, so but yeah, looks like it's going to be a nice job. The weather, I'll just show you what the weather is today. I think it's just above freezing. So our chemicals, they just basically need to dwell a bit longer. It should clean up quite well. Just show you what the temperature's looking like. So I've just put my, so we're saying 4 degrees at the moment. You can see that. Anyway, let's see how we get on with this one. So one of the things that I've recently had done, when I had my van refitted, I asked for these trays to be put in. So this tray here has a drainage that goes out. This is for my poles, and then I don't know whether you can see this one here, this tray. This is for my water reel, and the reason for that is that when I pull this yellow hose out, this is my water hose, water will come out of that the fitting. I'll show you that in a minute. You'll notice that water comes out of here, and in the past this used to go all over the floor of the van. So I've had this tray made. This tray made has got a drainage hole there, again to collect any water, and then it's not soaking everything. spraying machine. And because it's so cold, I'm going to put the boiler on. Morning. They've done a good job of this garden, haven't they?
They have, yeah.
Was it the fellow who lives here or somebody else? A company?
But he had a proper, fell, you know, one of those trees fell in.
Ah, right.
He got
Yeah.
in for a day and a half.
He's done a bloody good job of it, I tell you.
We didn't even know there was a rockery there.
No.
Covered in stuff.
No. So where's this fella from then? Is he local or not?
What it was.
Who owns this? Yeah.
I think he's from Wigan area. I'm not really certain.
Right. No, I've only contacted him via, you know, message stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So I've not met him. I've
When
just.
I saw you arrive, I thought, oh, there's nobody in, and they obviously left your keys on.
Yeah. So I'm just cleaning the outside of it.
Yeah.
So so there might be a slight smell of a chemical. So it's,
right.
but yeah, it's not too bad. You know, it's it just smells a bit. But yeah.
Right, I'll leave you to it.
Yeah, take it easy. So I've done 3 sides, and I'll show you how it looks once I've just put my treatment on. So this I've not done yet. This is still very grey, and then this corner here you can see the contrast. So that's got chemical on, that hasn't. So you can see. And then I've just done this side. That's working. So the foam here, this is to keep it on the wall. And I'll leave this on for about an hour, maybe a little bit longer. And then I started at this side. So you can see the lichens. These have reacted to the chemical. So this needs hot washing off. So I'll use low pressure and 60 degrees on here, but this should all come off. I'll treat the stonework there. So I've done these 3 sides, and I'm going to do the front now. Fortunately, the front's in the sunshine. I've finished this property now at Allithwaite, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this is where I started. Back. A few stones, but not too bad. Sills. Again, there's a few dead lichens here, and they will just drop off. And so again, a few lichens on the bottom there. And this side. And as I get to the front, I don't know whether you can see this in the sunshine. It shows it off its best, but still drying obviously all the time. And then this gable, which again was really bad. And normally a week, 10 days or so before it will look its best. But pleased with how that looks. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.